In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create multiple layers in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're working on a complex project that requires different visual elements to be organized separately, or you're simply looking to enhance your PDF with additional features, layering in Adobe Acrobat can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're inside the application, navigate to the See All Tools option. You'll find this on the top bar, which gives you access to a variety of tools that Adobe offers. After clicking on it, locate Create a PDF and then select Blank Page. Once you've made your selection, click on Create. A new blank document will appear, setting you up to start layering. To begin layering, look to the right side of your screen for the Layers icon. Clicking this will open up the Layers panel. However, if the Layers icon isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Go to the top left corner where you'll see a hamburger menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop down menu navigate to View, then Show/Hide, followed by Side Panels, and finally Layers. This sequence should open the Layers panel for you. Once the Layers panel is open, you're ready to import a layer. Look for the horizontal 3 dots on the panel. Clicking here will allow you to select Import as Layer. A dialog box named Import as Layer will appear. This is where you'll define the specific details of your new layer. Start by heading over to the Source section of the dialog box and clicking Browse. This action allows you to select the file you intend to import as a layer. After selecting your file, move down to the Import Options section. Here you'll select Create New Layer and thoughtfully name your layer, ensuring clarity and organization. Further down in the Appearance section, you have the option to adjust the opacity and decide if you want the layer to appear in front of or behind the main page. Once you have made your decisions, click OK to confirm your settings. Now, let's repeat the process to embed another layer. Once again, in the Layers panel, click on the horizontal 3 dots and choose Import as Layer. Select your file under the Source section by clicking Browse. In the Import Options section, repeat the action of creating a new layer and give it a suitable name. Within the Appearance section, feel free to alter the opacity if necessary. A useful tip here is changing the order of the layer. In our example, we're setting it to Appear Behind Page, which is fantastic for background elements that shouldn't overlap with the primary content. Conclude by clicking OK. With these steps, you've successfully added multiple layers to your PDF. This functionality is a powerful way to enhance and structure the visual complexity of your documents within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.